Need a new phone number on Assurance Wireless? Here's the deal. You can change it, but it involves a process to ensure eligibility and prevent misuse of the Lifeline program. The process is primarily online through the Assurance Wireless website or app, or you can call their support line. You'll need to verify your Lifeline status using a government-issued ID. A one-time $10 fee applies, but it's waived in verifiable cases like identity theft or domestic violence. Expect a waiting period of 24 to 48 hours for the change to process. Don't excessively change your number, as it may trigger a denial. To change your number, start by logging into your Assurance Wireless account online or through the app. Navigate to the Change Phone Number section in your account settings. Provide a valid reason for the change, such as harassment or a lost device. You may have an option to select a new number from available choices. Submit the request after filling in the required details. You'll receive confirmation of the change via email or SMS. Activate the new number by restarting your device. Remember that number changes are irreversible once confirmed. Back up your contacts before starting the process. Frequent changes are flagged due to fraud concerns. The process is increasingly digitized, with AI-driven chatbots assisting for quicker resolutions. In emergency situations like natural disasters, the fee and waiting period may be waived or expedited.